Hello there and welcome to today's class. For today, we'll be trying to draw the orthographic projection of this figure as you can see in front of you. So what's my first task here? To draw this figure, it's quite simple. My first task here is that I'll try to show you the elevation, the side view and the front view of this figure now as you can see in front of you. All right, this is what I have here. So this is simply my plan. This is simply my side view and my front view here. So I'm trying to draw the orthographic of this figure, right? So we said it's a plan. This is side view. This is front view. So we said whenever you are told to draw isometric, orthographic projection, if you have not watched the video on how to construct this one on its own, I'll drop a link on the description of this video. Check the link on how to draw this isometric there. And when you are done watching that one, then you can now do this, right? So for this one now, we are told to draw this in orthographic projection. First task is to draw your orthographic axis. What do I mean by orthographic axis? Look up please. At this side here, I will draw a vertical line this way, right, as you can see, and take my T-square to draw a center line at this point. See, now at this center point, I will measure 10 upward, similarly 10 to the left hand side, also 10 to the right hand side, and finally 10 at the negative part of y-axis here. So my next task here is to take each point upward. So I'll take this point here. Look up please. I'll take this point here upward. As you can see. Similarly, this next point too, take it upward. Now next task at this point here, I will take this one too in this sense. This one too. Take this one too in this sense. So I'm having what? My first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So here's the idea. I'm doing this in what? In first angle projection. We have two concepts: first angle projection and second angle projection. For my first angle projection condition, I'm drawing the elevation, the plan, and the side view. So my elevation is here, my plan will be here, and my side view will be here. So this is my elevation here. Yes, this should be our elevation. This should be our plan. This is our side view. As you can see. So I'm drawing this man here. That's our first task. So to draw this man here, look up please. Look up please. Observe something from our grid diagram. As you can see at the right hand side of the screen. The diagram says from here down here is what? 70. So measure 70 here. Now what? Now taking it. All right. Okay. 70, right? So measure out 70 and taking it, right? So measure out 70 from here to here is 70. I'll taking it. You know why? Because here to here is taking. Next up, my entire height here is 30. So measure 30 at this point. Next up, I will my next task now is that from here to here is 20. So I'll take my T-square, draw a straight line down and measure 20 and also taking it. These are what elevation, please. So this one I'm trying to draw it here. Next task is that there's a distance downward here of 10. So I'll take my t-square again. I'll draw a faint line down and measure out 10, which is this. Similarly, next task is to take my t-square and extend this one faint line down such that I will measure from here down here is 50, as you can see in diagram. So measure 50, 50, such that I will take this one. Look up, please. I'll take this one here to close this part here, right? Also observe something, please. From here to from 0 to 50 here, there's a height here, right? Which I'll measure from here to here is 50, as you can see in diagram here. So I'll take in this part here too. From here, I will take in this part in this sense. So what is there is what is there now. I'm done drawing my elevation. Next task, I need to draw my plan. I mean this guy here, this plan here. From here to here, it's going to be what the 40. So come to this down part here, 40, and ticking it because ticking it in question. In the diagram here. Once I'm done with that, I'll take my t-square this way and draw a straight line down here. Observe that from here down here is what the 70. So I'll measure 70. So from here to here is 70, which I will what the I will take in 70, right? Next task is that I'm going to get distance from here to here to have this one here. So from here to here is 20. So I'll measure out 20 here and taking this part such that I'll take the part upward in this sense, right? And then taking this part here. So I have this. My next task now is that observe something, please. Observe something, please. We just said from here, this tip here is this tip here. Distance of what there? A distance of what? 10. Yeah, 10. So measure 10 downwards. So take my t-square, write it down a little bit, and measure out 10. Measure out 10. 10. This is my 10 here. Similarly, I'll take this man here, the faint line inward a little bit. Now look up, please. We said from here to here is 50, right? Now from here to here is 20. I'm left with what? 30. So measure 30 down here and also taking it 30 such that I will take this one up to touch the faint line I drew here. Then I will take it from here and join the 2 points together. This what I just draw now is called the plan. So we have successfully drawn out the plan. It remains what the elevation, the side view, please. This man here, the side view. So how do you draw the side view of something of this nature? The first task is that to construct the side view, I'll first take each point upward, each point out this way. Next task, take this one to any edge out this way, right? No more edge here. Similarly, I'll take this edge here too out this way, and this edge here too out this way. Of course, my next task is take my 45-degree set square, this man here, and I will take this edge, this point here, and this outside this way, right? When I'm done with that, I will take my t-square and project each point up, right? At this point here too, each joint up. The joint here, I'll take this one up too, right? So this is my boundary. So like, okay, look up please. Look up please. I'll take my meter rule. I'll take in from here. I'll take in from here to here, right? Without constructing, the side will produce itself out. I'll take in this part here too. Looking at it here, I'm having something of this nature. I'll close this part here and this part, right? Next task, taking this part here and this part here, such that I'll be taking the bottom of this one. So you can see what we're having here. And finally, I can just easily close this part here up. So this is simply the orthographic projection of this figure, right? So we found this class helpful. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you and welcome to Wise Link Academy. In our next class, we consider much more hard or perhaps complex problem under orthographic projection.